Hello students, welcome to RSPS online classes. A very good morning to all of you. My name is Deep Shelly and I am your science teacher. Today we will discuss about adaptation in animals. Okay? Like the plant kingdoms and animal kingdoms is very vast and diverse. Like plants and animals are also found in all over the world. They are found in the hottest desert, under deep ocean, deep forest and polar ice caps. To live in different regions of the earth, they adopt themselves accordingly. Come, let's see the adaptation in animals which help them to survive. Let me a variety of animals. Please tell me. Yes, there are thousands of animals in our world like giraffe, camel, fish, elephants, birds, insects, pigeons, polar bear, honeybee, housefly, ant and many more. The environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. As all know, all the area are not comfort zone, so the animal have some special features that makes them live comfortable. This is called adaptation. The animal that are not able to adopt become extinct. ओके, ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर एनिमल्स के रहने के लिए फेवरेबल कंडीशंस नहीं हैं लेकिन एनिमल को रहना है तो वो अपने बॉडी में ऐसे एडॉप्टेशंस को क्रिएट करता है जिससे वो उस जगह पर रह सके। और अगर वो नहीं रह सका, वो एडॉप्टेशन नहीं कर पाया, तो वो वहाँ पर सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएगा और आखिरी में वो एनिमल क्या होगा, या तो वो मर जाएगा या गायब हो जाएगा। ठीक है, इसलिए एडॉप्टेशन इज मस्ट कंपल्सरी फॉर अवर लाइफ. सो टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एनिमल टू स्टडी दैम. दे आर divided into two main groups. First, animal with backbones and animal without backbone. Okay, our animals divided into two categories. First category is animal with backbones, जिन animals में backbone होती है. Second, animal without backbones, यानी जिन animals में backbone नहीं होती है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई एक्सप्लेन यू एनिमल विथ बैकबोन. सो फर्स्ट है, सी द स्क्रीन ऑफ लैपटॉप, एनिमल विथ बैकबोन. दे आर मोर एडवांस्ड ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स. दे आर फर्दर divided into small groups like fish, amphibians, reptile, birds, mammal. ठीक है, every group has unique adaptation. Second है animal without backbone. Okay, तो ant, cockroaches, housefly, there are some example of without backbones. इन एनिमल्स में बैकबोन्स नहीं होती हैं. सम एनिमल्स लाइक इंसेक्ट, वर्म, स्कॉर्पियन, स्नेल, etc. does not have backbones. How many legs does an ant have? Yes, ant have 6 legs. Okay, insects have 6 legs and their body divide into 3 parts. First, head, second, thorax, and third, abdomen. Insects have divided into 3 parts. First, head, second, thorax, and third, abdomen. Some have wings to fly. Some without backbones animal have wings to fly, like housefly, butterfly. Okay. Now we will discuss about animal with backbones. So let first fish. Okay, fish. The fish has certain special features that help it do live in water. Okay, they have gills. Okay, they have gills to breathe the oxygen from water entire into its body through the gills. Okay, the fin. This is fin. The fin and tail. This is tail. The fin and tails help it to swim and balance in water easily. For example, shark, dolphin, whale, starfish, etc. are the example of fish. Okay, this is the picture of fish. This is the gills, fin and tail. Okay, now second, amphibians. Okay, amphibians. Some animals like frog. Frog is an example of amphibians that live both in water and land. These types of animals are called amphibians. In Hindi term of amphibians is उभयचर. ऐसे एनिमल जो लैंड और वाटर दोनों पर रहते हैं, दोनों के हिसाब से उन्होंने अपनी बॉडी को अडॉप्ट किया है. दे आर कॉल्ड एम्फीबियंस. दे हैव लंग्स. दे ऑल्सो हैव लेग्स एंड द फीट आर वेव्स. दे हेल्प टू स्विम. ओके, सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एम्फीबियंस इज crocodile, frog, snake, etc. Now next is reptile. The reptiles. The animals that crawl on the land are called reptiles. ऐसे animals जो ज़मीन पर रेंगते हैं उन्हें reptile कहते हैं. The Hindi term of reptile is सरीसृप. Okay. Some have leg also, but some amphibians have legs also. Most of these animals breathe through their moist skin. Some amphibians animals breathe these skin. Okay, moist skin. Okay, here are some example like snake, crocodile. Here is snake, crocodile. Okay, lizard, alligator, etc. Their body temperature depend on their surroundings. If it is low, if it is high, their temperature is high. Okay, so they are called cold-blooded animals. Amphibians are reptiles are also called cold-blooded animals. Now next is bird. You all see a variety of birds all around us. Okay, still there are thousands of birds exist on the earth. Birds have unique ability to fly, for their body has been adopted normally. Their special features are First, they have light bones. Second, the bones are very light in weight and are hollow. Third, they have only 2 legs and 2 wings. Fourth, the body is covered with feathers. 5, strong beak to pick up fruit, break and tear their food, and tail is balanced during to flight. Some common birds are crow, sparrow, eagle, vulture, pigeon, parrot, etc. Some birds like kiwi, ostrich, penguin are big, heavy and birds. They cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. Ostrich is the biggest. Ostrich is the biggest animal bird in the world. Or now last is mammal. What are mammal? Mammal, animal that give birth to their babies and feed them with milk are called mammals. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो अपने यंग वंस को जन्म देते हैं और उन्हें अपना दूध पिलाते हैं, they are called mammals. Mammals have organs to feed their young ones. Their body is covered by hair. They have 4 limbs and breathe through their lungs. Their body temperature remain same and does not depend on their surrounding areas. They are called warm-blooded animals. Some example of mammals like elephant, horse, cow, bear, giraffe, cat, dog, human also mammal. So that is our topic is finished. Adaptation in animals. Thank you.